Hi everyone, welcome to Linsen LED channel. I'm Danny. If you are looking for a most cost-effective rental LED screen, I recommend one of our best-selling products, MS series. Its module size is 250 by 250 mm, and multiple pixel pitches are available from P1.953 to P4.81. It has two cabinet sizes. One is 500 by 500 mm and the other is 500 by 1000 mm. The weights of the cabinets are approximately 6.65 and 11.7 kg. They are very light and even a girl like me can easily carry them with one hand. This product is a soft connection product, which makes the screen more stable for long-term use and reduces the risk of failure. As a high-cost performance module, it ensures core performance while having a more affordable rental cost. Look, the splicing gap is almost invisible, the picture continuity is full, and the baggage and effect can be balanced at the same time. No need to worry about the installation efficiency. It has two locks, top locks and side locks. Align with the card slot and press gently, and you can complete the splicing of two cabinets in 10 seconds. Moreover, the MS series rental screens support curved locks and precise positioning at every 2.5 degrees. As a rental LED screen, the durability and the maintainability must also keep up. The outdoor module has IP65 protection rating, so you don't have to worry on rainy days. The LED lifespan is up to 100,000 hours and is also equipped with a 3-year warranty and 5% spare parts for free, making your screen rental more worry-free and customers more assured. The MS series has served so many events. Contact us now for more information. Thanks for watching.